Welcome to yet another discussion on IoT. I was going through few articles in the internet regarding the trends in IoT. So what they suggest are the following. One is 5G. They estimate that 5G will play a major role in IoT technology. But already 4G is available. How many of us are using 4G? I'm not sure. NB-IoT, what is the penetration of NB-IoT in India or elsewhere? I also not sure. So major players in NB-IoT in India is Vodafone, Airtel, and maybe one or two. But I am not sure how aggressive they are marketing and how the market is welcoming this technology is yet to be understood or yet to be known. In the meanwhile, 5G is coming up, how the people will adapt. There are two major blocks for adapting IoT. One is a human mental block. Anything people will see with suspicious as anything new. That the fear of unknown, the fear of new will play a major role in adapting any new technology. And the second part is cloud technology. IoT comes along with cloud. So people are concerned about the safety of the data. Everyone has that idea that cloud means unsafe because their data remains somewhere else. It is beyond their control. So how many of us will be ready to put their data somewhere else in the cloud? People may say our cloud infra is very secure, no one can steal it, no one can hack it, but no one believes these statements. So this may be one stumbling block for IoT adoption. If you think why cloud is required for IoT, then anyone can say it is a processing power. No one can match the processing power of cloud, and then the storage area. So smaller devices in the sensor level, they cannot have large processing power, but a large memory. Is it correct? Let us think. Okay, the processing power of microcontrollers keep increasing, and then people are talking about edge computing, that is processing data at the sensor level itself. So processing level of computers or microcontrollers are keep increasing, and then mostly we may not need the processing power of the cloud computing. And the another is memory. Memory is also becoming cheaper. You can have a lot of even 4 GB or 8 GB inside the sensor network itself or inside the gateway also. Not even gateway, you can have a memory in the each sensor level. So we can install some technology, maybe a laptop, not more than a cloud technology, maybe a laptop or desktop may be required, where the sensor network is physically present, where we can deploy some big data software which will handle the distributed memory. So now the memory is distributed everywhere. The distributed memory can be deployed and then managed using some software running at the desktop level. So it is possible to avoid cloud totally in the IoT infrastructure. So the upcoming processing power of microcontrollers and then memory being inbuilt inside is being adapted, then we can avoid cloud totally, and then the IoT may become very popular. People also feel safe that physically data remains within the premises. So people may feel safe and then they may adapt this type of technology in the coming days. Let us wait in yet another show of IoT discussions. Till then, see you. Bye bye.